well, kind of like I did. You just go to your favorite AI tool, describe what you want, and see what happens. I mean, I don't, it wasn't any more complicated than that, although I did spend a lot of kind of hair pulling hours trying to figure it out. But I think now that I have, it's like I think the question maybe behind that is like people might be asking is like, well, why would I want to do that when I can just go to Bolt
Right. Yeah.
44 or Lovable and get this done and have an app and this is crazy because the benefits that and I can only speak for myself, but the benefits that I have gained from learning to do this and working through this process have boosted my confidence like nothing I have ever done. I when I started seeing all the stuff about AI and started seeing people talking about building and this and that, and they would use these terms and things. And I always felt like a little kid that had my nose pressed up against the window of the department store from the outside. That glass was thick and I would never going to be able to get in there. But after I have done this, I realize that a lot of these things are not that mysterious. That there's a language thing. When somebody uses a term and you don't know what the heck they're talking about, and those things can be learned. But the moment, I mean, I had weeks and weeks and weeks into this. The moment I saw that app come alive on the screen for the first time I'll just never forget it. It was like, oh my God, there it is. There it is.
I built that.
I built that. There's my flashcards. The images were beautiful. It clicked on them. They flipped over. There's the stuff at the beginning, and it was like, wow, wow, wow.
That
It
is
was
exciting.
it